Welcome back to your stocks on Cnbc TV 18. As we speak, in fact, the Nifty is making a bit of a recovery from the day's lows, but any kind of recovery is getting sold into. One stock that you clearly need to point out in a very, very weak market is Maruti Suzuki. That stock should come up for you. Just take a look at that stock. In a weak market, the stock is holding with a gain of around 3.8%. So clearly, some big gains being seen over there. And also, L&T is another stock that is seeing periodic buying, so watch out for that stock as well. But there are accidents in the broader market. So the mid-cap index has been struggling. We have been telling you that all through the trading session. GSW Energy, Pragya joined us earlier. That stock currently is down close to around 6%. Strides as well should come up for you. That stock as well is down a good 8% and close to around 1% just in the last 10 minutes. So clearly not looking very good, while Just Style is the other stock that was holding with a gain of around 1% just around 15-20 minutes ago. So Just Style should come up for you. That stock in fact has moved into the red, or it's mildly holding flattish as we speak. Clearly some kind of selling pressure being seen on that stock as well. But let's get our guest in. We have Vishal Malkan, who's joining us to answer all your stock queries, and Hemant Rustagi, who's here to answer all your personal finance queries. Let's go across to our first caller who's standing by. Rahul calls us from Punjab. He has a personal finance query. Hi, Rahul.
Hi.
How can we help you, Rahul?
Actually, sir, I have the surplus money of around 4 lakhs, and I want to invest for 6 months.
Okay.
I want to know whether it is a right time or not.
Okay. Rahul, do you have any investments either in the equity market or debt or anything?
Yes, I am already investing in equity markets by SIPs.
Okay, you have already bought some stocks.
By SIPs.
By SIPs, okay. By SIPs.
So you are largely invested in mutual funds.
Rahul?
Hello?
Yeah, you are largely your money is in mutual funds, correct?
Yes.
All right. Okay, over to the expert. Hemant, how can you help him?
Well, I think the important factor here is his time horizon. He says he wants to invest only for a period of 6 months. I mean, it's very clear that for a 6-month period, it will not make any sense for him to take any kind of risk. You know, when you invest for a short period like this, there are two options as far as the mutual funds are concerned. One is you have ultra short-term income fund, where you can invest for this period. But if the tax efficiency is an issue, because what happens when you invest in a debt fund, including an ultra short-term fund, that any gain that you make and you redeem within 3 years, you actually end up paying short-term capital gain at your nominal tax rate, which means if it is in 20 or 30%, you'll end up paying that much tax. So my recommendation would be that he can look at actually equity arbitrage funds. These funds are absolutely safe because they don't take any open position in the equity market. So he can invest in that. The good thing is that, you know, these are treated as equity fund for as far as the tax purposes are concerned. So you can look at, quote equity arbitrage fund, which would be ideal for a 6 months time horizon.
All right, Rahul, I hope you're listening to that advice. But, before we slip into a short break, let's pull up ICICI Bank. Our ticker team as well is alerting us, and the intraday graph will tell you a story. That stock, that bank, in fact, comes out with a set of numbers. Just pull up the intraday chart. Look at that. It was holding with a gain of around 1% odd. So we'll wait by. We'll slip into a quick...
Okay, there come the exchange Q4 numbers. Okay, that's 2922. Okay. That is not looking like it's a huge surprise.